Hi friends, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily create an arrow inside Davinci Resolve without using Fusion or anything like that. Okay, the way we're going to do it is we're just simply going to go to our titles on the left-hand side and then grab a normal basic title and just drag that onto your timeline. And then on the right-hand side where we have the normal settings for the title, for example, the font family, we're going to click and then scroll all the way down to the bottom where we have the font called Wingdings 3. Now, these guys, Webdings, Wingdings, and all that sort of stuff, been installed on computers for since the dawn of mankind. And it's one of these fonts where I don't think anybody on earth has ever found any use for these fonts at all. If you have, let me know in the comments because I'd be very interested. But strangely enough, the one called Wingdings 3 has a whole load of arrows. So if we just remove the text here and we type letter Q, for example, we see we have a downward facing arrow. To W, we have a rightward facing arrow. And if I press the number keys, you can see the number of arrows coming up. So this guy here is actually very handy. So for example, if we use the letter F, I get a leftward facing arrow and I can just change the size of it like so, change the color to whatever I want, and I now have an arrow. And if I choose G, I get the right arrow. So for example, if I want to just point to this box over here, I can just use the letter G, change the size I want, and then go to settings, and then just change the position in a normal way, or even with an animation if I wanted to, and actually get it to kind of point to the box. Nice and easy and nice and quick without having to faff about with any of that sort of stuff like Fusion, anything like that. So I just thought I find this incredibly useful for tutorials and stuff like that, for making YouTube videos and stuff. So I just thought I'd pass it over to you guys just because, I'm nice and things like that. Because I find it incredibly useful and I just thought people out there would also find it indeed useful for their videos. Take care and I shall see you soon.